Day 5 on a 10-day turnaround. Power bends. This is your mental agility. Rigidity is the enemy of reinvention. Adapt your mind to the situation or get outpaced by your own life. Now, rigidity is present when the narrative includes would, should, can't, could, might, may, and need to, and have to, actually. Those words signal blame, the unwillingness to take responsibility and move forward regardless of outside circumstances. Mental agility is the ability to hold multiple truths. This is very, very important. Mental agility is the ability to hold multiple truths. Then you take your perspective, that means you can take your perspective and you can shift it quickly and reframe fast. Mental agility is the ultimate survival skill for transformation. It's the ultimate survival skill, period. Mental agility. That means that you're welcoming different perspectives because there are several truths. There is no one single absolute truth. There is only truth, and it comes in various forms. Listen to your thoughts today and your words, and listen for those key words that I said in the beginning of the video. And those are the clues to your rigidity. I can't do that. Oh, I don't think those kinds of words, negative words, and also the should words, those are conditionals. When you're rigid in thought, you will experience a break, a shattering, a tower moment. So here's your question for the day. Where are you being rigid in your thought, insisting that things should be a certain way? Here's an example. If traffic is heavy, instead of saying there shouldn't be this much traffic right now, say this slow pace is asking me to evolve or repeat. Remember that in my past video. Always in every moment, it's either evolve or repeat. And if you're evolving, you're welcoming other perspectives of truth. I choose to evolve, so I choose to see the abundance of traffic as the abundance of organization. Every car is calmly moving in acceptance of all the other cars in the flow right now. And I get to experience the flow of unending calm, acceptance, and organization. Yes. So I want you to practice reframing. Find a frustrating situation and write 3 new interpretations of it. You could put one of your answers or all 3 of them down in the comments below. And if you have this already figured out, then put down your go-to framework. Put down that go-to. That reframe gives others another perspective of truth, and they can add that to an option and make it something available to themselves. Live deliberately. Namaste.